Have you seen this footage before? Jewish brides baking bread in their full wedding gowns and tiaras and everything, kneading dough even in the ballroom? It's not for the wedding feast. It's tradition. Jewish women have 3 special mitzvahs, commandments, that are just for women. One is lighting candles on Friday night for Shabbes, often with a family gathered around, saying a blessing and a special prayer. Another is going to the mikvah, the ritual bath, after a woman's period. This is for married women only, and it is related to when the couple is allowed to be intimate. The third is making challah, the traditional Shabbes bread. When women make challah, they perform hafrashat challah, setting aside dough. In ancient times, this was given to the priests. Today, because there is no temple and no priests, the dough is set aside. It is a symbolic act done with a special blessing. In Orthodox Judaism, a bride's wedding day is the holiest day of her life. Her prayers are said to carry special powers. The heavens open for her prayers. So when she does a hafrashat challah and says a blessing, it becomes a very moving moment of powerful hope and prayer. And later, there will be bread. Delicious.